everyone. Today, let's unlock the power of soft skills. How you can be empowered with knowledge and actionable steps to enhance your soft skills. Now, it's a saying that soft skills is something which will help you to get a job. Is that true? Well, hard skills often get you to the interview, but soft skills get you the job and the promotion. Research shows that 85% of this job success is attributed to soft skills. It highlights the critical role beyond technical abilities. If I'm hiring a person and there is one job and two people with the same for the same job, I would select a person who has better soft skills. Why? Because soft skills play an essential part in the overall communication, in the conduct, in the functioning of the organization. So we need to understand the role of hard work versus soft skills in career. Hard skills are the technical skills, your education qualification, your certifications, uh, what all things you have done in your life, your projects. But soft skills is something which will help you to secure the position and advance in your career. It is the way you interact with people, the way you make eye contact with the people, the confidence level, your body posture, your walking posture. How do you sit and how much confidence you give to the other person. So it's time for you to reflect and improve on your soft skills. Take time to assess your current soft skills and pick up three to develop, such as communication, teamwork, or empathy. Now, you need to recognize that there are certain core soft skills which are the most essential. These are something which you need to have. So you need to identify and apply the essential soft skills for professional success and collaboration. So what are the basic soft skills which every person needs to have no matter what? The first is effective communication. Now, this involves visual, vocal, and verbal method. Other important skills are critical thinking, empathy, teamwork, and active listening. Now, these are the fundamental soft skills that will lay the foundation for your professional growth and collaboration. Also, you can practice active listening on daily basis. Focus completely on the other person, what he is trying to say. You need to understand the message better. This habit improves communication and builds stronger relationship in professional settings. Also, in meetings, repeating or summarizing what others say ensures clarity and shows respect, leading to more effective teamwork and decision making. So you need to summarize what the others are trying to convey before responding. Once you do that, you not only gain confidence, but the other person also feels comfortable. So how can you link soft skills to career growth? Well, it is your soft skills that gives you promotion, make you a leader, and is good for your personal well-being as well. Soft skills impact career advancements. They influence your promotion, leadership opportunities, and your presence in the workplace. Soft skills also enhance your personal life. That is, you're improving your personal relationship, the hobbies that you pursue, your health, empathy, and communication. More than the professional setting, it is your personal life that has more importance once it comes to soft skills. So you need to identify situations for using these soft skills. Recognize workplace moments where soft skills like empathy can lead to recognition, such as leading a team or handling a difficult situation. You need to monitor how your communication, empathy, your confidence level is used in both professional and personal interactions. Soft skills will always enable your career navigation. These are the essential for managing dynamic career path and maintaining work-life balance effectively. So once you start developing soft skills, you will see a significant improvement in your overall personality. Now, building emotional intelligence is a way to improve and enhance your soft skills. This is through self-awareness and practice. So if you are emotionally intelligent, you not only understand your own emotions, but how others behave in a particular situation, how you need to respond to the presence of mind or the body language of the other person. You need to understand the state of mind of what the person is going through and accordingly modify your behavior. So, having high emotional intelligence helps lower stress levels and manage anxiety levels. Emotional intelligence can be taught, and it's more about self awareness and practice. So, the more self aware you are and you deliberate with your personal well being, the more emotionally intelligent you become. You can start by recording a journal. Record your stressful moments, your emotional responses to see how you responded in a particular difficult situation. Also, you need to rate your empathy and how you deal with people to identify behavior pattern over a period of time. Now, developing emotional intelligence enhances adaptability and resilience. It helps you to adopt and stay emotionally strong in complex work environments. Also, you need to practice the three V's of communication, which is to master visual, vocal, and verbal elements for clear communication. So, once you're communicating with a person, you need to have the visual element in front of you, how you're communicating through your work, and the verbal elements, that is your tone, your voice, the pitch of your voice. So visual includes the body language, that is the posture, the gestures, how you conveying the message. Vocal I've already explained, that is how you speak, how you communicate, your tone, your voice, your pitch. And verbal elements are the way you interact, your confidence, your body language, your hand gestures. So, how do you learn soft skills? Well, you can learn soft skills through observations and feedback. We all need to understand that soft skills can be learned and improved. Anyone can do that, and you can also do that as well. Use observation, practice, and feedback to improve your soft skills. You can select a mentor or a colleague with strong soft skills to observe you and give you feedback so that you can make better improvements. Also, you can request constructive feedback after group activities so that you understand what you're doing right and what you're doing. Also, you need to commit to continuous learning to enhance your soft skills. You need to improve on your skills by learning from the others. So, how do you build soft skills? The first is to start with empathy as a foundation. Empathy builds trust and leadership. It is essential for fostering trust, teamwork, and credibility. You can also use the switch shoes method. Try to put yourself in others' shoes, how the other person will feel in your place. You can conduct empathy interviews, and empathy is equally responsible for you to become a great leader in your organization.